Hey guys, welcome to my channel Jack's Creativity. Today you will see pre-writing worksheets for 2 to 3 years old kids such as standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines, curved lines, etc. When the kid learn these lines, it will help a lot in the letter formation also. This is my daughter's binder. When she was about 2.5 years old, I made this binder for her because if we give books to them, they used to scribble on the books. So I had made these reusable sheets for her. This is a page protector and you can get it easily at the stationery shop. So without wasting time, let's get started. Initially, I gave her colors for curving so that she can learn how to hold the colors or pencil. Let them scribble for 1 to 2 weeks. So this is a worksheet of standing lines. Hold their hand and encourage them to write and teach them how to write initially. After that, ask them to write by themselves. Firstly, give them long lines because when they start writing, they make bigger words as they are not able to write smaller ones. When they learn these, you can move on to the smaller one also. Now these are the sleeping lines. Now comes slanting lines. These will help in letter formation also. Now these are the curved lines. And one more thing, ask them not to lift the marker, write continuously. This worksheet is about trace the circles. Now, these are different patterns. These are some spirals. Ask them to trace the spirals. Firstly, give 2 to 3 days on each line, then go for the another one. Don't give them all together. Guys, this is a reusable binder. You can use it again and again. Give them to do practice daily. If you find my video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all notifications and updates.